Hey everybody, today I just wanted to make this video to show you something so beautiful. It was even prettier 5 minutes ago. This sunset, it was super bright orange. You know who created that? God created that. God created this beautiful image behind me, just like a painting in the sky. God created the trees and the ground, the dirt, the sky, the sun, and through all of that beauty, we all think, wow, just look at that. Look how beautiful things are. Look at the nature. But I tell you today, God made you beautiful too. You are a beautiful person made in uniqueness. You're not some ugly thing. God loves you so much and He made you the way you are as a beautiful thing. Remember that. Never forget that. God made you, and He made you beautiful, just like that sunset. I hope you all have a blessed day.